Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are doing a special request. Somebody had asked me my preferred method of cleaning the frit band on a windshield, and my preference doesn't play into it. It should be cleaned according to your urethane manufacturer's specifications, regardless of what you might think. That said, I use the Beta Clean GC800 because that's what comes in the kit. And we are going to spray here first. You can see where our contaminants are at all along this edge. And they recommend either the red Scotch-Brite Brillo pad or the melamine sponges. We use the Scotch-Brite because that is what the boss purchases. So I'm going to clean the edges here and just give them a good scrub. Make sure you're getting those contaminants out of there. And then on any piece of glass that has an unusual glue line, the one that doesn't follow the bottom edge, I'll always scrub a larger area just to make sure that I'm cleaning the contact area for the glue. And I will often put a wide line of primer there as well, because if it doesn't have a good glue map, then you're going to wind up shooting the glass. So to grab some paper towel here, and we're going to give this a spray and a wipe to clean off everything we just scrubbed. Make sure you get all the debris off of there, and then we're going to give it another spray to make sure that we are clean. Don't see any contaminants, nothing bubbling up, nothing separating, so we are all good. Give that another wipe. And then give the entire windshield a clean. And if you don't have your molding on here already, now that you're all clean, you are ready to put your molding on and move forward with your primer once it's 100% dry. Alright, just like that. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.